And we're back. We're actually playing a good game this time. And we're gonna play versus.
No.
Why not?
No.
This is dumb. We've played
You
it over.
just want to beat me something.
Honey, you're better at games than I am.
I can't play Smash.
We'll try. I haven't played Smash in a long time. I'll do random.
Sure, I'll do random too.
We'll make the CPUs like super weak
Puny.
and like super strong. No, that's gonna be scary. We'll make one wimpy and one puny, and then the CPUs will also be random. And 2-minute KOFS. Let's do 5 minutes. No, that'll be too long. We'll do 3. Oh,
What did I do?
there you go. Ready? Okay, we're gonna attempt this. Just all random. We haven't played this in who knows how long, so
Who am I?
you're Lucas.
Oh, no. I'm this shadow guy.
No. Oh yeah, no, I'm Lucas. Ah, what? I'm not used to player 1. What is this?
This
Okay.
is weird as fudge.
Okay, so B is like
I'm just pressing A.
A is just like a fighting move.
Okay, what is B then?
B is like whatever you want to be. If you hold forward, you usually shoot things. You shoot fish! I love it.
I'm gonna take whatever this is. Yeah. Fuck off me.
Oh, okay, I did. Items are enabled. That's good. Okay. Hey, beating up Ike right now. no, back here.
Jumping.
Jumping. It's a little button like on the this right here, right there.
Okay.
I don't know what that's called.
Am I alive? Yes, I am.
Yeah, you are. I'm gonna try to beat up Ike for you. I'm like, hey, asshole. Oh, you wanna go? Oh, I'm dead.
Hey! PK fire!
Oh no, you want some of this? You want some of this, homie?
Just let me
You
fall.
want some of this?
No!
You want some of this?
Stop knocking!
You want some of this?
Stop knocking losers into me. I'm not a loser.
You're not a loser. Oh, come here.
No! I'll hit you with this chair.
A chair? Why do you have a chair?
I'm still alive.
How do I go faster? Ha! Die.
I'm still alive.
No.
PK fire! Is that what he said?
You can extreme! Ha!
Ooh.
Ah! No, come here.
I don't want that. I don't want that in my life. I don't want that.
Oh, come here. Oh, why did I
That
get hit by
hurt
that?
everyone.
How do I use this thing again? I thought it was A and B. What do I have in my hand right now?
How do I get up?
You have to double jump, I think. I don't know how I did that, but you're gonna die! Why are you not dead?
What? Ball is life.
What? No, come back here, woman.
No!
No! No! Those are not solid! Hey, homie!
Share.
Hey,
Or the Eiffel Tower, I'm not sure. How do I use?
you just press A. Ow! That hurt. Those things are painful.
Where am I? Oh my god, this is what I hate about Smash. I
Oh,
can't.
come on, it's great.
Who am I?
You're the blue one!
Who am I?
Where's my name?
What the CPU?
I thought I killed him. Oh, he only died once. Well,
Balls.
you died twice? I didn't even think you died, other than that one time.
What is this? Let's not save.
Why would you save? Just press A. Okay.
I'm just gonna take what it gives me.
We're gonna do random all
Yeah.
around? Alright. Let's go. Maybe we won't get beat by the CPU this time because that was rough. The fact that we set them so low. I just kinda went for you though.
What am I?
You're
Captain
Falcon.
Falcon. Punch!
Oh, this is gonna be rough. They have Ike. Or not Ike. That's not Ike. What am I talking about? Hey.
I'll just
No.
let them like gig.
What is that? Why can't I think of the name the little angel dude? Hey,
Ike?
is that Ike? Oh, it's Pit. There we go.
Pit.
His name's at the bottom. Oh,
Who
man.
is Ike? Oh,
Ike
Ike's
was
the
the
guy
one that
you
like
just
we
played.
just like played against. Oh,
Lucario, get your ass out of here. Falcon punch!
Oh, wow, you just disrupted my, like... Ow! Freaking Lucario. Ow!
Wink!
Ah! How did I even get down there? Ow! Ow! No! 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 Oh,
Oh.
man! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Could you not?
I'm not done with Lucario right now. Don't fall off the screen, please.
I don't like this. Why am I small? Joe, what did you do to me?
I don't know.
What did you do? What did you do?
I've used the ball.
I don't like this. This is not a fun time. I need this. I know someone.
Oh, I died. Somebody killed me. It was Pit, that bastard.
No. Lucario, come here. Need you. Why can't I jump very high?
Hey-ya! I love that. Like, what is this? Just like,
Ooh, just like what? Ha! Okay, Lucario, coming after you, bruh.
I'm just gonna
Get,
fall.
get out of here, homie. Nope.
I'm just gonna fall.
No. No, 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 no. No, no. Come on. No. 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 Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I think I somehow made you all small. And it's cool. Oh, I think I died once. No, I think Lucario might have won that. I don't think he died. Pit won!
Pit!
No!
I actually did well. Gosh.
It's the same, except I died once. Everyone died. Pit just killed 2 people.
That flame.
So angry.
Do, 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 do. Thank you.
They can't win anymore.
Ready to fight.
Do we suck at games? Yes. Are we funny when we suck at games? Who knows?
Maybe.
I'm not sure. You guys decide. I'm Marth. Marth is pretty cool.
I
Is
just got
there
hit by
a
a
car?
car. I'm just gonna chill up here.
It's probably not a good place to chill. You just floating over there?
God, the one time I come down from my happy spot. Yeah.
Ah! Ow. I'm gonna beat up Samus over here.
Gosh darn it.
Okay. Samus over here is gonna whoop me. I'm gonna. Oh, okay. What's this? Ow! I just blew myself up. How did I even? Okay, did Samus die? No. Okay.
What is that?
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
I'd like to hurt Wario though. Ow! You guys have such like high. Ha!
I'm scared.
Wow, that did nothing. That did absolutely nothing. Die. Okay. Wario should be falling off the map anytime.
I know, I'm like trying to get Wario.
Where am I? I just like walked off the map. Ow! I killed him. Ow, why did I walk into that?
Am I still alive?
Yeah, I think
At
so.
201?
Yeah, I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Die.
God damn it. That's
Sorry.
ass.
No, it's not. It's nice of me, you know. Gosh. No! No!
Yes! Yes!
It's not you! What? Yeah! Ow. Hurts. Ah! I can't get up there. No. I want it.
Get out of the way. Oh.
No! Heck yeah, that's me! I did stuff. Oh, I died twice, but I killed 3 people. That's how it goes.
Because you're a kill stealer.
I'm a kill stealer?
Yeah.
How is it a kill stealer?
You were stealing Wario's kills.
Well, I killed Samus. We'll make another one wimpy since we did okay. Okay, you ready?
Yes. Please give me a semi-decent
Okay, we're gonna come back to this. Just say we'll be back, guys, and we'll have some more ass kicking going on. Bye.